Dropbox Business Pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think Dropbox is just cloud storage. The surprising truth is, Dropbox Business is a full collaboration and file management platform with features designed for teams. The free plan gives of storage, file sharing, and basic collaboration tools, which is enough for personal use but not for businesses. Dropbox Business offers three main plans: Standard, Advanced, and Enterprise. Standard costs per user per month and provides a heap of shared storage, file recovery, and basic team management tools. Advanced, at per user per month, adds unlimited storage, advanced security, audit logs, and sophisticated admin controls. Enterprise pricing is custom and includes additional compliance, integration, and deployment options. Dropbox integrates with Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, Slack, and more, so teams can collaborate seamlessly across platforms. It also offers tools for workflow automation, team management, and enhanced security like two-factor authentication and granular permission settings. In conclusion, Dropbox Business is more than just a storage solution. From standard to enterprise, it provides scalable storage, collaboration tools, and security features tailored to your team's needs. Understanding the pricing tiers ensures you invest in the features that truly enhance productivity and protect your business data.